At the Brain Institute Paris, scientists are using Maxwell to make gene therapy scalable, reliable, and real.
So I'm working in gene therapy since now 20 years and having a special focus on, let's say, two aspects, either rare pediatric disease and especially lysosomal storage disorders, like metachromatic leukodystrophy, and our focus on area is now on MPS IIIA and IIIB pathology. But we are working also on more known disease like Alzheimer and Parkinson. So the great advantage is that for this rare pediatric disease, most of the patients are not surviving. For metachromatic leukodystrophy, they have like 3 years old life expectancy and 15 years for the MPS. And with this gene therapy, the advantage is that with a non-invasive way, which is intravenous, you can deliver just a one shot of treatment for life.
When I saw the Maxwell system, I realized that it could be a real optimization of the pathway in the team, because before arriving in the lab of Dr. Piguet, I was head of a genotyping service, and we made a high throughput pathway. So I saw the Maxwell and I realized that it would be really a system that could optimize and be a fast way to do multiple analyses. So I just saw that it's a system with an extraction automated. So we are already in my previous job, I already did this optimization with automation. So for me, it was the right system that we should have. What we plan to do is to have a process standardized, and the Maxwell is a big part of this standardization.
And we say we need to have something more automatized and going to the clinic. And that's how we start to discuss with Promega and get the Maxwell in our team.
The students that are in the team just say to me, thank you to bring the Maxwell in the lab, because they really don't want to do any more phenol-chloroform extraction.
So usually, because I'm trying to do that, in France, I'm speaking to small students who are 6 years old. And I'm saying that we are using viruses that are usually bad, especially after the COVID pandemic, and that everyone is afraid of. But we take I call like it's a horse is a Trojan that can enter easily in the cells. And what we are doing is that we just keep the external part of this Trojan, which is really good to do that. And we remove all what is bad inside. And then I'm taking my small patients that can be rodents or larger animals to give them the treatment, see how they behave better. And if it's good, we can go to save other children and adults.
Simplified extraction, backed by performance you can trust.